Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, but basically it will work similar in all other commercially used browsers. So no worries, I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate those steps in your own browser. Alright, so if we are on our browser, we have to enter the settings, and in the Google Chrome case, it is in the right upper corner. We've got this three dots icon, so let's tap on it, and here we have to enter the history. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually, because for example, you want to remove only one of them or two. So you can simply find them and tap on those X buttons right next to it. So as you can see, they will disappear. But if you want to remove, I would say, more advanced options, more advanced sections of your browser, simply tap on clear browsing data here, and as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files, and your device will provide you the information what actually you will remove. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything, so everything is marked. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to even all time. So let me pick this option and simply tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything from the browser. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.